Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes, what happened today? It has opened gap down. So first initial 1 hour it was like consolidating and it was a profit booking session. Later it has recovered. In a small range it was still at the second half we have seen a very good cash buying by the FIS after 3 p.m. So anyhow we were long only. We have told yesterday not to short the market because we know FII have created a positive position. Same with the bank nifty also. Bank nifty opened gap down and there was a good profit booking at the first 1 hour and it was consolidating whole day and closed with 443 points negative, whereas nifty given a 21 points positive closing. So let's begin with open interest analysis and we'll see the big players position. So we'll follow by FII in future index. They were having 84% long and 16% short. So today also they are carry forwarding same positions. They have 84% long, 16% short. And in option index they were having a 4.67 lakh contract of call buying. Today they have increased the call buying position by 2.19 lakh contracts. So they have 6.86 lakhs of call buying. And in put they were having 2.90 lakhs of put buying. Today they have added 3.17 lakhs of put buying. So see, call versus put, it is equal, but in futures they are very much bullish. And in cash market we have seen they have purchased for 1,241 crores. Option buying versus selling, FII in call buying they are 63% call buying they have, and call writing they have 37 percentage. Put buying 61% and put writing they have 39 percentage. So FII is bullish only. Client are the retailers. In future index they were having 32% long, 68% short. So today also they have made no changes, 32% long, 68% short. Option index they were having 5.43 lakhs of call writing position they were having by yesterday. Today they have increased 3.88 lakhs contracts, so they have 9.31 lakhs of call writing position. And in put they were having 3.84 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have increased 4.88 lakhs contract, so they have 8.73 lakhs of put writing contract. So slightly negative positions in options, huge negative in future index by client, and they are selling in cash market. They sold for 1,617 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 46% call buying, 54% call writing, 46% put buying, 54% put writing. Client having a negative positions now. Proprietor desk in future index they having 40% long, 60% short. So today they have unwinded longs and increased short by 3%. They have 37% long, 63% short. Option index in call they were having 73,000 contracts of call buying. Today they have increased the call buying by 1.68 lakh contracts. So they have 2,42,000 of call buying contract. And in put they were having 1.41 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded most of the contract in profit and made a fresh put buying of 18,000 contract. So slightly positive they became in option and they are negative in future index. They are hedging F&O and they are buying in cash market. They purchase for 1,246 crores. Option buying versus selling. Proprietor desk they have 53% call buying, 47% call writing, 50% put buying, 50% put writing contract they have now. Now we'll check the change in OI. Nifty for coming week expiry, that will be on 11th of July. We have seen a good number of put writing addition at 24,000, 24,200 and 24,300. Whereas slight call buying also we can see at these levels, but a good number of call writing we seen at 24,800. So for coming week, a good momentum we can see in Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, the expiry will be on 10th of July. We'll check what's the big player plan. We can see a good number of call writing and put writing at 52,500 and a huge put writing unwinding at 53,000. Bank Nifty is not that bullish while comparing to Nifty as per the engine OI. Bank Nifty having a good number of call writing. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1 day time frame. We have seen it is spinning type kind of a candle, but this has no significance because it has a green closing today. If this was a red closing, we would have thought this will be has a evening star, the kind of a pattern it has formed. But today it has formed a green candle. The buyer's force is more while comparing to the seller's force, and also the data of big players there are very much bullish. So we will not short Nifty, and we can only think of buying on dip. So now let's check for Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. It has also given a spinning type kind of a candle, and in yesterday's analysis we told a hanging man candle is formed. So there could be a good sell off in Bank Nifty, but we were positive in Nifty only because Bank Nifty is weak now, and with this support 52,000 is a very good support. It has to bounce from this level. If not, if this levels is broken 52,000, we can see some more selling pressure. But as per the data, it has to be in consolidation mode only. Our slight high we are expecting as per the data. But technical is indecisive. Technical is not giving any of the directions. So we will not short the market. We can think of buying on dip with a strict stop loss. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.